to the Rockland BOCES Buzz. Each month, the Buzz will spotlight new and exciting things all across the agency, from innovations in programming and supports, to student and staff achievement, to investments in technology and facilities. In this premiere episode, we'll visit our Jesse J. Kaplan School, our Career and Technical Education Center, and our new Technology Hub.
This year, the Jesse Kaplan School is going to be split into two programs. The VISTA program, which is predominantly for students on the autism spectrum, and the social communication program and teams will be grouped together.
The profile of a team's students is they may have more physical limitations and medical needs. In social communication programs, they're learning in groups. We split because it allows us to focus more on their needs by program, and it brings more consistency for the parents, students, and the staff here at Jesse Kaplan School.
CTAC over the last few years, the enrollments are skyrocketing. We're growing in a lot of different programs. Here we are in the animal science program, and we have developed a whole new workshop just so that they can stay with current skills and give our students an opportunity to be employable or continue in their college education.
This summer has been really busy for the facilities. We have multiple projects going. We're trying to get prepared for the kids to come back and the teachers to come back. CTAC is booming, and we are constantly meeting to try to carve up a little new area here or there for them so they can become the success that they want to be.
This summer we moved into Building 12. Facilities did a fantastic job renovating this space. Our IT department now is working with our records department, which is fantastic. By bringing IT and the records department together, it allows us to increase efficiencies across the departments.
And there you have it. Just 3 of the great things happening at Rockland BOCES this fall. Thanks for staying informed, and I'll see you soon for the next Rockland BOCES Buzz. Welcome back.